And then, nung inintroduce na yung Flow 21, ayoko talagang gamitin. To be honest, ayoko talaga. Kasi nga may mga client ako.
Kasi nga ayaw mo.
Tsaka ayoko talaga kasi doon ako nakafocus talaga sa Deco Network, which is yung na-master ko na siya ba. Yun. Tapos tinuruan ako ni Monique actually. Tinuruan ako ni Monique.
It's the same with me kasi nga sanay na kami kay Deco Network. So for us it's pretty easy. Kasi Flow 21 and Deco Network, it's medyo may pagkakaiba din sila. So, ano ba yung in-order niya? Ano bang PO number niya? Something to do with that. Ano ba to? Bakit hindi ko siya, bakit ganito? Bakit hindi siya mag-go through? Bakit opportunity ganito? Pag ganyan. But later on, pag mo talagang matuto naman. So, yeah, I mean, konti, malalaman mo, konti, alam mo na siya kung paano siya gawin. May mga few questions maliliit na mga encounter mo. But then again, just Flow 21 people is there to help us.
Flow 21 is really powerful platform. There are several functions that is offered sa Flow 21. So the team were not able to really grasp and appreciate kung ano yung nagagawa ni Flow 21. But for me, I did appreciate it so much na we can do a lot of things sa Flow 21. Although some of those things I was able to learn dun sa 24/7 nyo. So if you can check how often I ask 24/7, then you will know about that. Pero yun, with the 24/7, which I think you should keep and really did help for me kasi sometimes it's weekends or maybe late hours at night or early morning. I ask, I have if I have the time, I can ask, and then hindi masisira yung parang momentum ko ba. So if I have a question, I just ask right away, and then I can go on with whatever I am trying to explore with Flow 21. So it did kind of help me really yung 24/7 na support. And especially, I have favorite agents in the 24/7 support, no, because they would give me videos. They would show me how to do it, and it saves me time. So I'm grateful for that support that you have, the 24/7 support. So per ano ba yan? Per function, ganito yun. This is how kasi talagang very wide yung scope ni Flow 21. Parang five apps or 5 function rolled into one powerful platform. So, and then later on, if we have questions, we can always go to the 24/7 support. The team mentioned that we were also using another, diba? That Deco is not a CRM. It wasn't a CRM. It was nearly parang a quotation system. But with that system, we can also track kung ilan na yung accounts na nabigyan namin ng quotation, if they have ordered before, but it wasn't a CRM. It's not like Flow 21 that you can automate, follow-ups, or it guides you to the next stage, and this is actually the reason why we ask for this type of talaga, kasi we needed a CRM na talaga, yung mata-track na namin yung progress per account that we are working on. And not just that, but also integrated with automations na will help us remember na ito na yung gagawin mo for this, or better, yung it can send out messages na if you put automation after 3 days, mapa-follow up na siya, ganun. But yun, yung last time, if you remember, yung, di ba, we automated na magsasend siya right away to the prospect. But I think we also need to send a copy to our sales representative so that we'll be reminded to, ito na, tawagan mo na yan kasi I have sent a text or email, the email follow-up. So, ang ano namin before is wala talaga. I mean,
Mm-mm.
Deco is, you can see there the value. I think the value of the, ano ba, parang only the value of the quotations that we sent out, or the value of the close, ganyan. But we can see there yung percentage as to alin dito yung nasa 50% na, or yung hot accounts, or yung closable natin for the next few weeks or the next days to come. So walang ganun. Di namin siya na measure. Although we also maintained a parang manual, manual
Ano?
na CRM. So we just use the Google,
Drive.
Google Sheet. Yes,
Drive.
Google Sheet lang yun. And the worst thing with that is hindi naman yung nagfa-follow up sa amin, or hindi naman yung nag-automate, walang automations or anything. So, very manual, and most often na-update talaga.
So to add on with yung kay Miss Jana. So yun, we are doing yung manual nga. Hindi nga siya nag-automate na I need to follow up this client, I need to follow up this one because it's been 3 days, it's been parang ganyan. So yun yung usually yung concern nila when it comes to reporting. At saka hindi siya hindi siya katulad nga ng Deco, hindi siya nakakapagbigay ng kasi just for quotation lang siya, hindi siya CRM. So yun.
Well, with Flow 21, 0 missed opportunities, faster and more strategic approach to prospects. And then with Flow 21, we'll be able to determine our priorities well based on kung sino talaga yung dapat nang ifa-follow up para ma-meet na namin yung pinaka-objective namin, be able to meet our sales target for the month. By the way, I would like to say thank you to Ian. So win-win them and win for us. And it's really good. So hoping for more tips, marketing tips from you guys too, not just for the Flow for the program, but we're really grateful on that note.
What's been the best moment since?
The automation. So right now with Flow 21 being able to integrate, the conversations dun sa Facebook, because I cannot give access to everyone dun sa Facebook, right? We cannot can't allow that. Parang magugulo kasi we also have an agency handling our online ads, etc. But with Flow 21, we're able to, everyone in the sales team can now access and message directly on the same platform where the customers initially reached out to Unisol, and that's Facebook. Kasi may mga clients na they don't want to be taken out of that platform. Ayaw nila dun sa email, ayaw nila mag-Viber, ayaw nila ganon. So they're not answering calls, etc. Because they wanted us to entertain their inquiries on the same platform kung saan sila nag-inquire in the first place. And in answer to that, we were able to do that now with the Flow 21 because everyone has access, and we can check on the previous conversations that we had with those prospects. Number one is the automations, where if we have ads, like a lot of inquiries are coming in, we can always do the automation where the leads will go directly to the pipeline, and that's really, really helpful. So we can just go to the pipeline. Sino ba yun? Para wala nang ma-miss out na mga prospects or mga leads.
We can take a photo. All right, it's gonna stop. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Ano ba, Sir Ian?
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
that.